welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with you that is your being the DBMS classes here. As you know that we had done your DBMS, it's your 58 classes. This has been the 59th classes of this, and as you know that we had done in 58 classes, there are many ER diagrams that we had done here, and there are many students those who are approaching for the ER diagrams and those who had requested for the ER diagrams. So here we go ahead, and I will just uploading more and more videos on AR diagrams, so that you will get all these AR diagram what is necessary for you, as you can just go ahead. But it's a huge request to all of you, please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So today what we will discuss is your AR diagram for ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पे कैसे आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हो और किस तरह से हम ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पे AR डायग्राम बना सकते हैं. दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू गो अहेड हियर. दिस इज अ कस्टमर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि शॉपिंग कौन करेगा? ऑफ कोर्स कस्टमर करेगा. सो कस्टमर व्हाट कस्टमर विल डू हियर दैट कस्टमर का सबसे पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट इज द कस्टमर्स यूजर नेम. देन यू हैव योर another we can talk about it. I think it has been and it is good. Okay, so it will be the user name of that particular customer, then is your first name, then your last name that we have for the customer, then of course the password, address and email ID. These were the requirement that you have to know about the customer. And then after that, customer belongs what it belongs here, and that is being online shopping. So what they are doing is online shopping. Then after online, when they are shopping for online shopping, that has the category, that is the category ID and the category name as well. And that category has to be products, of course, that what they buy for online shopping. That is the products. We have your product ID, product price, product name as well as product model as well. कोई भी अगर प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स उसका कोई मॉडल होगा, कोई नाम होगा, कोई प्राइस होगा, उसका प्रोडक्ट आईडी भी होगा. In product ID, that is what they are ordering here, so ordered according to that, and that is your the cost items. क्या cost है उनकी? It means that is depending upon the quantity, total cost, and of course the cart ID here. The cart items जो करेंगे वो, that is in quantity, total cart and cart ID as well. And the cart item has that made here is to be cart, and then you have to either done for what? Done for the payment. So for payment for the customer, when we are talking about the customer as well, so customer also connected to what they does is to be payment. So payment ID, amount and payment type, this is also done for. So the payment only, that is in payment ID, requirement and amount and payment type as well, where the customer will of course buy the product. So this is also being connected to one another. This is whole diagram for online shopping. We are dealing with many more topics on AR diagram, as we had done your which is of AR diagram for hospital, AR diagram for bank, AR diagram for motors, vehicles. We will do many more topics that we have to done in the AR in respective towards the order AR diagram here. So today we had done your online shopping, and the next coming class will discuss many more. There are many things to discuss in the DBMS as well. So it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, because your support is and your appreciation is very, very important to us. And because of your support, because of your suggestions, because of your liking our videos, requesting for your essentials topic that what you required of, thanks to all those viewers, those who had supported and those who had requested their topics as well. We will surely be providing you those. And thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for supporting us. So other than this, if I'm talking about, we had end up with, and that we had completed a sociology and software engineering as well. Other than that, we had done your industrial management, and we had done your quantitative aptitude as well. There we had completed arithmetical ability. In that we had completed operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, and as well as we had done your operation problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices we had started with. And we had dealing with the chemistry of class 12 as well, where we had completed your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, and unit 9 will surely complete in the next coming class, which is of part 1 of chemistry of NCERT, which is important for academic as well as for the competition as well. Other than that, we talk about it. So yes, we had started with your reasoning as well, where this has been divided into two parts, which is verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. In verbal reasoning, we had completed your verbal reasoning, that has been the general mental ability and the logic reasoning, and in non-verbal reasoning we had completed a series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, Cuban dice, dot situation, constructions of that is your we have to moreover we'll have to complete the next we have. So thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.